Well, good morning everybody. Here we are down here today with the 4-weight rod. I'm going to use what I already got rigged up on there. It's a sow scud. Can't remember, some kind of emerger there, and then up above there's a blood midge. All of these are in about size 18 to 20. I'm going to adjust this indicator real quick and we'll see if we can hit one here. There's a couple surfacing out here in front of me, so there's definitely some action. It's just a matter if I can get one. There's a nice sized dead one, probably 15-16 inches or so. First catch of the day. I got a weed hooked up right off the bat. Before I head out there any further, I'm gonna work this little area here next to me. There's a good sized one sitting in there. They keep poking back further there, and I'm not sure exactly where's going to be the best drift into there, because they're sitting right where it gets kind of rough there. Need to stay in closer here. Maybe about there. We'll see where that leads me. Nowhere. Alright, well, we're gonna make our way over here a little bit, work it out there, try not to get stuck on this fence. I've seen one over there. I'm just hoping it'll see my stuff. I doubt it. We're gonna have to remend back into these. Oh, look at that right next to the indicator. That's fish. Good fish. It's back in here by these gates. We're gonna have to work it out. Maybe 18, 19-inch rainbow. Real beautiful. I'm on out of there. Can't fight it. It looks like it's on the 6. Definitely on 6X. Just got to get it over here in the shallows, or at least where I can get down to it here. There we go. First fish in the net today right there. Blood midge. Right in the top of the lip. Easy there. Be nice. These dang gloves always make it so difficult on me. Alright, so I said 18 or 19. We got 11 there and 7 there. That's about 18 inches. Easy now, easy. Real feisty. Real feisty. There it goes. Well, that's the way to start the day. We got one on so far. Time to see if we can get a couple more, and we'll keep making our way down the river. I just missed one, didn't have camera on. So many times this happens today. That's twice. Hooking it and then it just getting off like magic. Oh shit. Oh shit. Did it break? No. Okay. This is why I hate this rod. Because I put it together like this. So I put it together at like a 45-degree angle off, and then bring it down and then twist them to where the dots line up every time. And it's like after I hook a fish and cast back out a couple times, it just comes apart. Worst $200 rod I have ever owned. Casts great, feels great, hard to balance it, but the dang thing just flies apart because of some stupid ferrule that they put on there. It's like jam fit or something, whatever it's called. Stupid. Aggravating. Oh yeah, that is another nice one. Let's see where all my flies are at. 1, 2, 3, all out. Woo, feisty, feisty. 8 there, 10 there, 18. Let's get my hands good and wet there. This fish is feisty. It's hanging out in this fast current. You gonna behave enough for everybody to see you? Look at how pretty that fish is. What a beaut. Later, friend. She was a pretty one. Managed to ditch the hooks right as I entered the net. Perfect. Okay, since the fish magically just made me retie, if anybody can see that, that's what my little sow scud looks like. Got a little split there. This is the emerger right here. It's a bead headed glass bead, and the top one is the blood midge right there. These are all really tiny. Hopefully they show up on the camera, but that's what I'm using today, and I've been missing them and getting them. You know, and they've been bending my hooks, so these hooks aren't that strong. Let's see if we can find a couple more. Whoa! Holy smokes, Batman. Quick, get down there with your net. Ugh. That fish came out of nowhere. I don't know which one it was on. I'm thinking it was the sow. Unreal. Fish on. Another nice rainbow right there. Come on over here in this calm water. Easy now. Hard to see from here, but it looks like that's on the emerger. Right on the bead-headed lip. Right there. Emerger. Caddis has got some kind of, not caddis, but soundbug's got some kind of thing going on there. Let's see here. There's an 8 and another 8. That makes 16. This one's feisty. She is. 16 and feisty. Easy now. Look at that pretty girl. What a beaut. Later, lady. All right. Well, let's try again. Check our rod and make sure it's still secured. Take up some of that slack, huh? Well, that's it from me today. Got a couple in the net, missed quite a few. Hopefully I got it all on video, and hopefully the wind wasn't too bad during the whole entire thing. So got to fish at least one on each one of them, the scud, the blood midge, and the emerger. It's been a good day in all. Yeah, the wind's been nice, the temperature's been good. It's been a really great day. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you got any comments, drop them down below. Till then, I'll see you on the next one.